ATEC Corp is a global provider of industrial quality testing instruments for manufacturers. ATEC specializes in leak, flow, and battery testing equipment. ATEC has locations all around the world. Since 1975, ATEC has been operating with passion, perseverance, and innovation to build a global customer portfolio, testing thousands of manufactured components from every industry like automotive, medical, packaging, electronics, and appliances. ATEC works side by side with customers through the entire process. For those new to leak testing, we extend our support by providing introduction classes, educating students on the fundamentals and principles associated with this specialty. When a manufacturer has a component in need of testing and the process of doing so is unclear, an experienced ATEC applications engineer will work with the customer to verify testing specifications, suggest the most efficient testing method, and work with machine builders to integrate and automate the exact test equipment which will benefit the customer production line. Once the equipment is up and running, ATEC remains a valuable resource to customers. We provide continuing training, troubleshooting support, repairs, preventative maintenance, and calibrations. ATEC also offers service packages, on-site maintenance, and ISO 17025 certified calibrations. When you think leak testing, think ATEC. Follow us on social media and visit atecusa.com for more information regarding our products and services.